Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. In today's video, I have an unboxing from Paint Gym, and this one is some I've already showed on my channel, but I absolutely love Paint Gym. I'm also an affiliate with them, so I just wanted to disclose that. If you're interested in purchasing anything from Paint Gym, you can get a discount by using my code, which is under the description. There is no worries of getting it or not, but just want to try to save you a little bit of money if you decided to. One of the reasons why I really like Paint Gym is that the quality is excellent, as well as you get everything that you need. It's very compact. I love this box that it comes in. It is very sturdy. I actually store everything in here. And they have so many different editions. In this one, there are 22 and there are many paintings. So you can do these sometimes in 30 minutes or less. I've never taken more than 45 minutes on any of the ones I've already done. And now Paint Gym is getting fancy. And we have a really nice bag that has our toolkit in it. And before we didn't. So they're really starting to upgrade. Another thing about Paint Gym that I really like is the fact that now they are shipping from the US, so it will not take as long to get your package in as it has in the past. In the past, it's taken me sometimes a month or so to get my actual package in, but now it's so much faster because they are shipping from the US. And this one is a fairly new kit. I don't know if the prior kits, such as the doggy one that I have unboxed or the actual plant one that I've unboxed, I don't know if those have been updated or not, or if they just do that as they run out. But this one does have a pair of plastic tweezers. These would be good for this type of kit. I normally would not use this. I do have some other ones that I use, but this one would work. And these are squares. So you also get a pin, and this looks like it has a 7 placer on here, multi-placer. This one is a little bit wider, but it works if you want to multi-place. I'm trying to get it to focus a little better. You do have a squishy. They come in different colors. They give you a small heart wax. You get looks like a 2-placer here. And then you also get this little boat. But I really like this little bag. It's a sturdy, nice bag. And then you're going to have all of your drills that are going to come for the entire kit. So let's look. I'm going to move this box out of the way. Let's look at the drills first. I'm going to go ahead and open these. And there will be an unboxing soon on my channel. I'm going to move this over because there's kind of a glare here. So if I can't scoot over just a little to see if that will help out a little bit with the glare. Just a little bit. Go ahead and open all of these. I have had a lot of static lately with my drills, and it's with any company. So I'm sure this one's going to have static as well. I used to love to kit up, and now I almost cringe when I'm having to kit up lately because the static has been so bad. I will probably have to put some dryer sheets in some of these. I'll see how it goes, but the static, it has just been unreal for me. But if you see, the bags have the number 20 here, that's on the schematic. It also tells you the DMC number, and it tells you how much that is in here on the weight. I'm assuming that's what that is. Maybe not. But they're really pretty colors. They're Christmas colors. I've had plenty of drills with plenty left over for all of my kits. They don't include any ABs in their kits, or none of the ones that I have seen. But I have ABs in my stash if I want to add those. So I just want to put these out here so you can just see how bright, how Christmassy this looks. I'm really getting ready for Christmas. I mean, not really. I want Christmas to the season to be here, but I'm not exactly doing anything yet. I'm thinking about it, if that counts. I'm going to move all of these over, but I love doing Christmas crafts. And so I'm getting all of my Christmas crafts out, especially my diamond paintings, to see what all I have and know what I can start working on probably in November. With this kit, they actually have a sticker sheet for us. It has the schematic, and then it's going to have the DMC number. We have not had this in the past with this company, so I'm really, really excited about this. Before, we just had the paper, which was basically copy paper, and then I had to go through and I had to create my own for all of my containers. Now you can easily use these bags, and you can even put this code on your bags if you would like, and it's going to have the symbol on here for you, or you can kit up using containers, which is what I like to do. And I do these sporadically, so I may do one, not do one for a couple of weeks, and do another one. And so I like to have the containers, and that's really come in handy. But I wanted to show you all of these. That stocking is just really cute. Here is a poinsettia. You have a little elf. I think you get a lot for your money on this because there's so much here that you can do. And there's a lot you can do with these too. You have a little birdhouse. You have Merry Christmas on here. You have a snow globe with a gingerbread house. We have a Christmas tree. The next one is candles. We have bells, Christmas presents, a snowman. These look like bells or ornaments. I'm not really sure which yet. Could be ornaments. We have a cute little reindeer, a wreath, this cute little Santa, and then we have Christmas mittens. So all of these, what I'm going to do is I have a small little album that I purchased from Amazon, and I will put each of my sets in a separate album. I already have one for this one, and then I have some black cardstock. So that's probably what I'm going to do with mine, is just put it in the album so I can flip through and see it. But you can even use these for card fronts. They're that small that if you wanted to send a Christmas card or holiday card to someone, you can use these. I don't think that I am going to do that because even though it doesn't take very long, it's still work to have to put this together. And if I were to send this to someone, I would not want them to just look at it and say, oh, this is a nice card, and throw it away. I would send it to someone who would appreciate it and would keep it. So personally, I will just keep these. You can also frame these. These fit well in a 4x6 inch frame. And you can even put those, around for holiday decorations if you want to. So there's so many possibilities. And I may even do that and then put them in my portfolio. I'm not sure yet. But I do really, really enjoy these. And you will see, or you may have already seen at this point, my completion of the Doggies edition. And that one will also go into a binder. And hopefully I will have that up shortly. Once I finish the dog one, I should have those finished soon. But a lot of times I will take these to work, because what I'll do is that when I have virtual office hours, I just basically sit in front of my computer waiting to see if someone's going to come into our virtual office. And if they don't, then I don't want to be going in and working on something else. I'm afraid I'm going to miss seeing someone come in to our system. So I just sit there. I take some of these to work. I just sit and work on them while I am looking for, students to come in. And so that's how I've gotten several of mine completed. So that's made it really easy. It doesn't say how many colors are in here, but there's quite a few. I think there's around, I'm guessing around 40. This last bag here says it's bag 43. So it's going to be at least 43 bags. Some of these, of course, have more or less. There's quite a bit of red. Not as much red as I thought that there would be for all of these. I've never run out, so I can't say if they will replenish the drills for you. I'm sure that if you run out and if you contact a customer service that they would, especially now that they are shipping from the US. Before, if I had run out, I would not have bothered because it would take too long for those drills to come in. But now that's coming from the US, that's going to make it so much easier and more convenient. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye, y'all.